Hello, welcome back to Lazy Nelly. Oh, for a second I thought my giraffes died. They're just over here. You can see I'm a 1.5 star. I have no food. We should probably make some food. Sorry, last video was super long. 18 minutes of playing just me putting animals down, but please forgive me. Oh, it was my first video, for sure. For sure. Technically, definitely just didn't delete my other channel. That'd be crazy. Oh, guest facility, that's what we meant. I'm doing the conservation theme. Yeah. I know I'm not letting you comment on my videos, but I'm posting these videos back to back to back. Because I'm going to be putting 4 episodes out today. Trust my word. And I ain't lying. He ain't lying. So yeah. Is that copyright? I don't think so. We want big toilet. But we don't want that. That thing was just annoying. Flat out annoying. Dang, I really don't want you to comment. I just go video to video to video. I might take a break after this. Wait, no. Oh. To back. Okay. Is it backwards? Oh, it's backwards. It's our little secret. It's our little secret. Right. You can keep a secret. Yeah, I believe in you. You can keep my little secret that I messed up on my first video ever. Just don't let it get out too far. And if this video just goes viral and everybody knows, I'll laugh about it. I'm joking. It's not a bad thing to misplace stuff. We're all humans, I think. Are one of you an alien out there? Maybe. I ain't saying no. Me roll. I'm a new give. Okay. I'm super smart. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, gosh. What do you want? Alright, they should be happier with that now. With that out of the way, I think this is a restaurant, right? If it was a restaurant, I think more people would be walking in. Maybe it's a night only restaurant. Yeah, people are working. I'd be going in there. Am I able? This is how you can make better YouTube videos with it. Dang. Too bad I ain't using that, because I build. I don't show my parks. I'll do it after I finish it. No hate, please, no hype. Well, okay, now let's get some elephants. Elephant. It might be some species of elephant that me no know of, but look. Hey. I'm open to trying to find an elephant. There's only one at the Thor Mawson Black Bear. Oh, elephant, Indian elephant. Oh, hype moment. This works. This is good enough for me. Adopt. Word. I don't feel like testing if they get along or not. Go to quarantine. Good. All right, now this is the part where do I only have one elephant? I do only have one elephant. Is this the animal black market or just like the animal market? I'm like, I really want to know. Does anybody know if that's like the animal black market or the animal market? Go in, go in! It refuses to go in. There, I made it go in. Oh, I zoomed out way too far. You can see how good quality this is. Totally not that. Totally. Okay, I'm going crazy right now. No, people are leaving my park. I don't like the people that leave my park. Stay. Not climbable, water type. But this is not climbable, water type. It's really good. We'll just hope that's a good thing. Oh, well, they passed their quarantine, so I'm gonna pause. By the way, I'm a GigaShad pro at this game. You can refer to me as the god of Planet Zoo. Totally. I'm totally the best player of all time. I put the G in MLG. Yeah. That's just like who I am. Really good. I'm the best player of all time. Except the people that are better than me is everybody that is better than me. So like the gaming Bieber. I'm just talking about. I don't mean the. Yeah, go check out the gaming Bieber. I'll put them in the link in the description. Is this glass? This is glass. Super smart. Totally. I need a different angle. You gotta aim. Okay. So you already know what animal it is. The ride brick is super good. Wait, huh? How do I do stuff? Oh, I did it! Oh my god, I'm so MLG. MLG, by the way, means Major League Gamer, if you didn't know. I think. That's why I said I put the G in MLG, because I'm a gamer. Like, no capsies. Alright. Today I'm planning to do. Oh. Cool. It's a giraffe. Hype, 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 hype moment, hype moment. Giraffe, giraffe. Okay. This is a long path. If I was a worker here, I'd be complaining. Like, why do I gotta walk? Why do I gotta carry a 50-ton elephant? Don't fact check. Don't fact check that. All the way to its enclosure in a little tiny box that we could barely fit it in. I'd like to know. This is probably what a zoo really would look like. On the back of the zoo would look like. Like, there's so much black market stuff. Totally ain't lying. The zoos totally aren't controlled by the mayor and stuff. They definitely don't get their money from the real world. This is definitely the real world. This is the real world because I am God. I place everything. I make everything. And I am everything. Well, we found that giraffe. Well, not giraffe. No, theme. We don't want theme. We want species. It's Indian elephant. It might not be the normal elephant you would think. Good enough for me. Here we are, we found it. The first time I played this game ever was probably, why can't I find an elephant? And like, I don't think I've ever used an elephant in my park ever because I didn't know certain species called elephant. I was like, I'm super smart, man. I just stopped saying that, man. That's kind of, it's not bad or anything, just getting old fast. Or betting. Oh, sorry, I was quiet for a minute. Like, I don't know why I was quiet. Like, I just gave you a lot of time. Oh my god, my elephant episode, my giraffe episode wasn't complete. Oh my god, I feel so bad now. Okay. Oh wait, it was good? No, terrain. The terrain was bad. Do you see how bad the terrain was? The grass was too long. There wasn't enough soil. Sorry, I completely forgot to do this. No, I sneezed. That's why I was quiet. Probably could hear me sneeze too. Are you soil? Soil heavy. This is awkward. I don't know. This is the area where they're not supposed to see. Alright. Now my giraffe. Now my giraffe episode is officially over, even though I'm in my elephant episode. But like, whatever. Oh, that was so cringe. Oh. I'm never doing that again. I hope. If I can control myself for once. Food and water. They get food. Foodies over there. Water over there. Don't ask why I'm making me sound like a baby. Maybe I am one. Ooh, isn't that so funny? Yeah, I'm super funny. I'm super funny, right? What the? Oh, I thought that was a really smell for a second. Wow, elephants play. Gyro. Large ball. No, I don't favorite it. I just want the large ball. Why don't they call it a large ball, not a soccer ball? It's clearly a soccer ball or a football, wherever you live. Oh, maybe it's because there's two names for a soccer ball. Football and soccer ball. Yeah, I'm placing one of each. Because my elephants deserve luxury. Like, my giraffes are really happy where they live. I definitely didn't just make it really poorly. Because my video was like 20 minutes long. That's not the case. Oh! Like that, I don't like that. My eyes are burning. Gamers never see the sun. We live in a dark room. Oh shoot, wait, my room really is dark. Oh, I should turn the light on later. Oh gosh. I'm gonna die. That was a joke. I'm not really gonna die. Don't worry, I'm not really gonna die. But it's proven that it's healthier for your light to be on than off, because reasons. See, I don't have an Alexa in my room, then it's gas. You know, in episode 3, I'll tell you if it actually is good to have your light on. Dang, these episodes are long. Like, I ain't joking. Not even done. Oh my god, why are these so long? Like, legit. Oh my gosh, why are all my videos 18 minutes? 18 minutes. Which means there's no path. Yeah, there's a path. Oh. Well, it's good in there. Good in there. How dare it have the audacity? The audacity. Is it the house? Is it because of the house? Maybe because of the house. The house might be too closies. Fix it! Shot, I fixed it. Shot, be proud of me, be proud of me. It's in order, be proud of me. Okay, well now I'm the mean creepy. Alright. Whoa, we made it to outer space. Why you just put it in the middle of nowhere? No, you can't. What does it mean, no path? I have a path. Wait. Wait. Do I not have a? I have a door. Oh, I'm just probably being a big noob. I'm probably like, you just gotta do that. I don't know how to do anything. My brain's at 5 IQ. And that 5 IQ is devoted to gaming. There you started. What? Wait, is there a way to get out? What if I make it look really... Oh, God. That might work. You know, I don't know how to fix it. So you know what I'm doing? Changing the location. Did I do a glass habitat thing? I don't know if those work or not. I think I'm in the long grass. I hate long grass. I really do. Oh, I said a mean word. Oh, forgive me, chat. Forgive me. I call you Shot because you're my Shot. Bam. Bam. Why can't I not add multiple habitat guide? Okay. Now we do this. Okay, this video is like 40 minutes long. Oh, I apologize, man. No! Oh, shoot. Shot. What do I do? What do I do, Shot? Shot. What do I do, Shot? What do I do? I did something. No, I did something. I did a thing. Oh my gosh, I've been quiet way too long. Probably just thought I oofed. This is a very long path because it wasn't working before. It better work now. No, my thingy. My thingy, no worky. I can't click fast enough. My mouse doesn't let me click fast enough. I just got this mouse yesterday. Is my stuff not good enough? It's a gaming mouse too. It's not even like turning the normal mouse. It's not like it's just a mouse you would just have for like normal stuff. It's a gaming mouse and doesn't click fast enough. Or do I not click fast enough? That might be the problem. By the way, I can't show off my setup until I complete it. That just means my computer's really bad. So now we would do this, and we would grab this. Yeah, we grab this, quarantine. Now we grab the elephants, and now they should move. All right. Oh, am I already at the closest point you can get to? No path to... Or you know what? I'll make it even look ugly. I need to... Oh my gosh, this is about to be a 30-minute video. I don't like that at all. No one... Why is this going to be a 30-minute video? I don't want... Okay, I'm going to try to wrap things up quickly. And if I can't, I'm going to send my outro and figure it out. So I fixed that, and now we just need to do this. And now quarantine large 1, take up both of these. Oh, they're both gross. Alright, I'll just figure it out in the editing. Alright, well, goodbye. I'll see you next time. Adios.